baby. He's gonna make it though.
Continue on I-283 South.
Whoa.
Continue on I-283 South for
into larger scale. And they do not follow the same logic anymore. Yes. So for instance, like the most basic one is like supply and demand. Like you think about it, like, hey, as
This fucking idiot.
You must somehow support this horrendous status quo that has white supremacy baked into it, that led to this terrible thing that was the polarizing and precipitating event.
Go, motherfucker!
Did you see that?
Right through me, confirming my theory he was blind. Most men don't wear perfume, Pigeon, or dresses that make that much noise. You're here.
OnStar emergency.
Get in your lane, bitch!
We're in the bike lane.
Perspectives on Blue Sky Critical Communications Preparedness in partnership with Verizon.
The Secret Service plays a critical role in protecting U.S. and visiting world leaders, but it needs to partner with local and state agencies to carry out.
Ow!
Kevin Nally is the Secret Service.
It's like you can't make anything this big look good on anyone. Jack Harlow does not look good with glasses. Imogen Heap, actually Imogen Heap might look good with glasses.
Imogen Heap is one of those people who like could sincerely get away with wearing gigantic glasses.
Yeah, actually the most interesting thing about these pictures is they're in black and white, but to indicate the glasses have a display, they put a slight color haze on the lenses.
Whoa! Good job.
Why are you stopping for a green light? What are you doing?
It just happened recently. I wanted to bring you on because maybe you can kind of give us the simple version of what potentially could be going on. As far as, could this be something that is accidental or maybe manufactured?
Yes, well thanks for having me very much. I appreciate the opportunity to be here to speak, and thanks for taking time to read my article. If we just use basic
I could just live in Huntington Valley and have like a real police force, you know. But are there apartments there? I don't even know. Whoa. Basically, what you're gonna get, you bastard.
Fuck.
Right there.
And maybe the people who made it.
Go! Come on.
Jesus,
You cut
fuck.
me off, I fucking go.